बचनी तो मोर मन माने, बचनी तो मोर मन माने, धन को सर हम सर दीना दयाल न तुम सर रविदास आस लग जीवो कह रविदास आस लग जीवो सिर पर दर्शन देखे हम सर दीना दयाल न तुम सर हम सर दीना दयाल न तुम सर अब पतियार क्या अब पतियार क्या की जय हम सर दीना दयाल न तुम सर हम सर दीना दयाल न तुम सर दयाल न तुम सर दयाल न तुम सर जय गुरुदेव धन गुरुदेव
भूमरो भूमरो
Oh Aryan, you are singing such a beautiful song.
Oh, but why have you stopped me?
Okay, you can continue.
Simran, you know India is a land of different regions.
Yes, I know, like Jammu, Kashmir, Mumbai, Punjab and Kolkata.
But Simran, among all of these regions, Kashmir plays an important role.
Yes, you are absolutely right. It depicts the natural beauty which is God gifted.
Through this song, the natural beauty of Kashmir is presented by our school kids.
So now, let's welcome the little angels of LKG class through a Kashmiri song. This song dedicates to Annual Function Day from little colorful children of UKG class with colorful flags.
पूरिया तन मन तन तो रहबर पूरी बापैलों दे दे गुरु संत निरंजन दास जी सचदा पाठ पढ़ा देने गुरु संत निरंजन दास जी सचदा पाठ पढ़ा देने कलम है पिंड गंडवा दे दी सचनू रचनी सचनू रचनी गुरु संत निरंजन दास जी मूरत सचनी मूरत सचनी दीप वर्गे निमाणे अनुआ दीप वर्गे निमाणे अनुओ गल गल लाਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸੰਤ ਨਿਰੰਜਨ ਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਸਚਦਾ ਪਾਠ ਪੜਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸੰਤ ਨਿਰੰਜਨ ਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਸਚਦਾ ਪਾਠ ਪੜਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸੰਤ ਨਿਰੰਜਨ ਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਸਚਦਾ ਪਾਠ ਪੜਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸੰਤ ਨਿਰੰਜਨ ਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਸਚਦਾ ਪਾਠ ਪੜਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ
So now, let's welcome the students of class first who are going to dance on the
समझे वो सच का मोल।
ये है मेरा वो है तेरा, ना संग अपने ले जाएगा। सच के रास्ते जो चलेगा भला उसे ही कहा जाएगा।
ऐसा ही कुछ समझाने आ रहे हैं कक्षा दूसरी के नन्हे मुन्ने विद्यार्थी अपनी कला द्वारा।
कहाँ राजा भोज, कहाँ गंगू तेली।
नहीं सर नहीं, यहाँ पे तो पहले ही गंगू नाम का एक ढाबा बना हुआ है।
तू क्या हुआ? ढाबे के मालिक से मेरी बात करवाओ।
यहाँ पर गंगू नाम का आदमी कौन है? मेरा नाम ही गंगू है साहब।
सुन, मैं तेरे ढाबे को हटाकर यहाँ पर एक आलीशान होटल बनाना चाहता हूँ। बोल, लेकिन मैं चाहिए। नहीं सर नहीं, मैं कोई ढाबा नहीं हटाने दूंगा। इसी से मेरी रोजी रोटी चलती है। क्या? लेकिन मैं तो ये ढाबा हटा कर ही रहूंगा। मैं कोई ढाबा नहीं हटाने दूंगा। मैं तो ये ढाबा किसी भी हाल पर हटा कर ही रहूंगा। वैसे एक उपाय है हुजूर। हो क्या? क्यों ना हम नौजवान ने मुकाबला करें। अगर आप जीते तो ये ढाबा हटेगा, अगर मैं जीता तो आपकी हवेली मेरी। मुझसे पंगा लेगा भारत? कहाँ राजा भोज, कहाँ गंगू तेली, मुझे मंजूर है। Prabjot got first position from class 1st B. Prabjot is requested to come over stage. Prabjot from class 1st B got first position in inter-house calligraphy competition.
From group 2nd, Jasmine got first position from class 4th B. And Jasmine is followed by Vaneet of class 5th A, who got first position.
Jasmine and Vaneet are requested to come over stage. Jasmine and Vaneet are requested to come over stage. Both of them are very intelligent students. The students are absent. Now let's move with our next category, that is result of inter-house poem recitation competition.
In inter-house poem recitation competition, Arohi got first position from class 2nd A. Arohi is requested to come over the stage.
From group 2nd, Vaibhav Gautam got first position from class 5th A. Vaibhav Gautam from class 5th A got first position.
From group 3rd, Komal got first position from class 7th B. Komal is requested to come over the stage.
From group 4th, Loveleen Basra got first position in poem recitation competition. She is very intelligent student. Now let's move further with our next category, result of inter-house storytelling competition. From group 1st, Piyush Mallan got first position from class 1st A. Piyush Mallan is requested to come over the stage.
Piyush Malhan requested to come over the stage.
From group 2nd, Priyanka got first position from class 4th B. Priyanka from group 2nd.
Now it's time for result of inter-house declamation competition.
From group 3rd, Hardik got first position from class 7C. Hardik from class 7C got first position.
From group 4, Tanveer got first position from class +2 medical. Tanveer is requested to come over the stage.
Tanveer is followed by Upinder from class +1 commerce. Upinder is requested to come over the stage.
She is absent today.
Now it's time for result of inter-house solo singing competition. From group 1st, Harman Sample got first position from class 2nd A. Harman Sample is requested to come over the stage.
Harman is followed by Deepak, who also got first position from class 2nd A. Deepak is requested to come over the stage.
From group 2nd, Varinder got first position from class 4th B. Varinder got first position from class 4th B. Varinder is requested to come over the stage.
From group 3rd, Manisha Paul got first position from class 8th A.
From group 4th, Harpreet Kumar from class +1 arts got first position.
Now it's time for result of inter-house drawing competition. Varneet Kaur got first position from group 1st. Varneet Kaur is requested to come over the stage. Varneet got first position from group 2nd.
She is very intelligent student. Vaneet is requested to come over the stage. Vaneet is requested to come over the stage. From group 3rd, Divya got first position from class 7C.
Divya from Group 3rd got first position from class 7C.
Alicia Jassi got first position from Group 4th. Alicia Jassi from +1 Medical.
Now it's time for the result of fancy dress competition. From Group 1st, Yash Kumar got first position from class 1st B. Yash Kumar from class 1st B.
From Group 2nd, Amandeep and Jasleen got first position from class 4th.
Amandeep and Jasleen are requested to come over the stage.
From Group 3rd, Aranjit Singh got first position from class 8B. Aranjit is requested to come over the stage. From Group 4th, Jasmeet Kaur got first position. Jasmeet Kaur from +1 non-medical, please come over the stage. Now it's time to announce the inter-house quiz competition. First position is backed by Switri by House. Please give them a big hand.
The teachers of Savitribai Phule House are also requested to join the students. Manpreet Kaur, Pannarani and Puneet are requested to come over the stage. House masters are also requested to join the students.
Now it's a result of inter-house Rakhi making competition. From Group 2nd, Simran got first position from class 6B. Simran is requested to come over the stage.
From Group 3rd, Malika got first position from class 8A. Malika from class 8A.
From Group 4th, Alicia Jassi got first position from +1 Medical. Alicia Jassi is requested to come over the stage.
Now it's time to announce the result for inter-house Rangoli making competition. In this, Ramabai House stood first position. The students Anmol, Koman, Himani, Daman, Jasmeet, Parveen, Alka and Neelam are requested to come over the stage.
The students Anmol, Komal, Himani, Daman, Jasmeet, Parveen, Alka and Neelam. Now it's time for inter-house board decoration competition. In this, Ramabai House stood first position. The students are Alka, Jasmeet and Neelam are requested to come over the stage. Alka, Jasmeet and Neelam.
It's time to announce the name of students who are punctual towards time and be regular in school hours. As it is rightly said, don't let your education slip away. Come to school every day. From class LKGA, Harshil is requested to come over the stage. Very intelligent guy and regular as well. Harshil is requested to come over the stage. From class 2nd A, Raman Benz is requested to come over the stage. Nice going, my friend. Be regular.
From class 2nd B, Palak and Arpan
Palak and Arpan are requested to come over the stage. From class 2nd B.
Oh, great job, my friend.
From class 3rd B, Nancy is requested to come over the stage. She is a brilliant girl.
From class 4th A, Monica is requested to come over the stage.
From class 5th A, Alicia is requested to come over the stage. She is also very intelligent girl. From class 5th B, Jasprit Kumar and Harris are requested to come over the stage. Jasprit Kumar and Harris. Those who come to school are smart and cool. From class 6th B, Jasmine is requested to come over the stage. From class 7th B, Jasmine, Naresh, Ranjana, Rajat and Rohit Kumar. All are requested to come over the stage. Jasmine, Ranjana, Rajat and Rohit Kumar. Naresh also. Don't complain, don't whine, always come to school.
From class 8B, Kajal and Vinder are requested to come over the stage.
Kajal and Ravinder.
From class 10th B, Rahul and Sachin are requested to come over the stage. Rahul and Sachin. Rahul and Sachin are requested to come over the stage.
Our school also produced number of excellent students in academic as well. Let's come to our another category. The students got first position in class. As it is rightly said, success is not awarded, it is earned. From class LKGB, Harpit Sandhu got first position in academic session.
He is very intelligent boy and studious as well.
From class UKGC, Vanita got first position by 99.8%.
Outstanding. She got 99.8% marks and she is really brilliant girl.
From class 1st A, Bhavna, Amandeep, Hemant and Paneet all got 10 CGPA. All are good example for others. Bhavna, Amandeep, Hemant and Paneet. From class 1st B, Piyush Mallan, Manyata, Gursevak, Rohan and Yana all also got 10 CGPA. Piyush Mallan, Manyata, Gursevak, Rohan and Yana.
All worked very hard throughout the year.
From class 2nd A, Dolly got first position by getting 10 CGPA.
What to say about her excellent performance?
From class 2nd B, Palak and Navneet got first position by 10 CGPA.
Both done superb job. Best luck for your future.
From class 3rd B, Karan Bali and Ritu got first position by 10 CGPA.
From class 4th A, Vineet got first position with 10 CGPA.
From class 5th B, Gurleen and Jasprit got first position by 10 CGPA. Vineet and Gurleen. From class 5th A, Hitesh got first position by 10 CGPA.
He is good example for others.
From class 6C, Hardik got first position by getting 10 CGPA. From class 7th A, Amandeep Jhalli got first position by getting 10 CGPA. From class 8th A, Saira Niga got first position by 10 CGPA.
She worked very hard throughout the year.
Saira is requested to come over the stage. From class 9, Rajan Swan got first position by 10 CGPA.
He is good example for others.
From class 10th A, Amisha got first position. She is the shining star of our school. From class +1 Arts, Alka got first position. Alka is requested to come over the stage. She got 57.7%.
From class +1 Commerce, Shruti Mata got first position. She is excellent girl.
From class +1 Medical, Tanveer got first position.
She is good example for all.
From class +1 Non-Medical, Karan Saini got first position. He is very intelligent boy. मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी एक दिन, इसी हौसले से चलने का इरादा किया है। ना हारे कभी, खुद से नहीं किसी और से वादा किया है।
From +2 Arts, first position is got by Gurchand with 84.8%. Gurchand is requested to come over the stage.
Gurchand is followed by Lovepreet Singh. He got second position. Lovepreet Singh. Lovepreet is followed by Lovepreet Pence. He got third position. Lovepreet Pence is requested to come over the stage.
From class +2 Commerce, first position is bagged by Manpreet Kaur with 84.6%.
Second position bagged by Gagandeep Niga. Gagandeep is requested to come over the stage.
And she is followed by Rahul Clare, who got third position. Rahul Clare is requested to come over the stage. Rajan Clare is requested to come over the stage.
From class +2 Medical, first position got by Diksha by 81%. Diksha is requested to come over the stage.
Diksha is followed by Deepika, who got second position. Deepika is requested to come over the stage.
Deepika is followed by Surbi Clare. Surbi is requested to come over the stage. She got third position in class +2 Medical.
From class +2 Non-Medical, Anu got first position with 89.4%.
Second position bagged by Dinesh Kumar. From class +2 Medical, Deepika got second position. From class +2 Non-Medical, Dinesh Kumar got second position.
From class +2 Commerce, Rajan Clare got third position. Rajan Clare is requested to come over the stage.
From class +2 Non-Medical, third position bagged by Manisha Paul. Now it's time to announce the students who got merit positions. They are the shining star of our school. They create good example for others. Amandeep got 91 marks in Punjabi. Amandeep Kaur is requested to come over the stage. She got 91 marks.
Deepika got 95 marks in Punjabi. Deepika is requested to come over the stage.
Students who got merit positions are requested to come over backstage. Deepika got 95 marks in Punjabi. Diksha got 92 marks in Punjabi.
Monica got 93 marks in Punjabi.
Surbi Claire got 91 marks in Punjabi.
Surbi is requested to come over the stage.
Aarti got 94 marks in Punjabi. Anu got 97 marks in Punjabi, 95 marks in chemistry and 90 in mathematics. Anu is requested to come over the stage.
Ravinder got 90 marks in Punjabi. Ravinder is requested to come over the stage.
Renuka got 92 marks in Punjabi. Gagandeep Niga got 93 marks in Punjabi.
Manpreet got 90 marks in Punjabi and 90 in business studies. Manpreet is requested to come over the stage. Rajan Claire got 94 marks in business studies. Rajan Claire.
Chetana Ken got 91 marks in history. Chetna.
Gurjant Singh got 90 marks in history. Gurjant is requested to come over the stage. Lovepreet Banga got 91 marks in history. Lovepreet.
Priya got 90 marks in history and Ritika got 91 marks in history. So now it's time to announce the result for sports held in our school. First of all, I want to announce the result for inter-house basketball competition. In inter-house basketball competition, first position is got by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar House. The students are Ranjit Kumar, Rohit, Ashish, Manjinder Singh, Palprit Loy, Anmol, Yogesh, Ashwinder Singh, Mukesh Raj, Saurabh Gandhi, Sahil Khalil and Dimple Kelly are requested to come over the stage.
They are the shining stars of our school.
Ranjit Kumar, Rohit, Ashish, Manjinder Singh, Palprit Loy, Anmol, Yogesh, Ashwinder Singh, Mukesh Raj, Saurabh Gandhi, Sahil Khalil and Dimple Kelly.
They really did very well this year. Our school also arrange activities for the teachers. Now result of inter-class activities. First, mask making.
First position is got by class 9th B. Mrs. Bandana Dang ma'am is requested to come over the stage. 9th B got first position is mask making.
Vandana ma'am is requested to come over the stage.
Second position got by class 9C. Miss Meenakshi ma'am is requested to come over the stage.
From class plus 2 medical, Mrs. Jyoti Gautam ma'am are requested to come over the stage.
From class 10th, Miss Aarti ma'am is requested to come over the stage. From class 9th B, ma'am Vandana Dand is requested to come over the stage. From class 9th A, Mr. Madan Mohan is requested to come over the stage.
In class decoration competition, first position is held by class 7C and 9th A. Ma'am Pannu and Madan Mohan sir are requested to come over the stage.
Miss Manju is also requested to come over the stage. Miss Hardeep Kaur is also requested to come over the stage. From games, first position got Miss Neeru ma'am. Second position is bagged by Manju ma'am. And third position is bagged by Jasveer Kaur and Reena ma'am.
In males, first position is bagged by Mr. Thinder. Thinder sir is requested to come over the stage.
Second position is bagged by Madan Mohan sir. And third position is bagged by Naveen sir.
They are requested to come over the stage. In port decoration competition, first position is bagged by 7th C class. Ma'am Pannu is requested to come over the stage. Second position is bagged by 6th B class. Manju ma'am is requested to come over the stage. Third position is bagged by 7th B class. Miss Hardeep ma'am is requested to come over the stage. In class decoration, first position is bagged by 5th A class. Mrs. Meena ma'am is requested to come over the stage. Second position is bagged by class 4th and 5th B. Ma'am Navjot and Reena are requested to come over the stage. Third position is bagged by 2nd B class. Mrs. Ranjit ma'am is requested to come over the stage.
सरजीत जी बोले का छोटी फ्लैग खोल लो फ्लैग छोटी खोल लो छोटी फ्लैग खोल लो ये वीडियो अच्छा नहीं
Yeah. Just let it slip, slip, slip.
ਆਈ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਹੋਰ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਅੱਡਾ ਟੱਪਾ ਖੇਡਣ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਵੇ ਮਾਸਟਰਨੀ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਮਾਰ ਦਿਓ ਘਰੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਖੇਡਿਓ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੱਸੋ
ਔਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਪੱਪਾ ਔਰ ਫੱਫਾ ਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਠੋਲੂ ਤੇ ਆ ਮੇਰੀ ਸੱਸ ਦਾ ਚੜਾ
ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਜਮਾਤ 'ਚ ਦਾਖਲਾ ਕਰਵਾਉਣਾ ਸੀ
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਕਰ ਲੋ ਪਹਿਲੀ 'ਚ ਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਠੋਲੂ ਨੂੰ ਕਰ ਲੋ ਕੱਚੀ 'ਚ ਤੇ ਆ ਢਹਿ ਜਾਣੇ ਚਿੜੇ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਜਮਾਂ ਹੀ ਕੱਚੀ 'ਚ ਕਰ ਲਓ
ਅੱਛਾ ਆ ਜਮਾਂ ਹੀ ਕੱਚੀ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਏ
ਨਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ
ਅੱਛਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਠੀਕ ਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਪੂ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਦੱਸੋ
ਹੈ ਨਾ ਹੁਣ ਤੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਪੂ ਤੇ ਅੱਖ ਰੱਖ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਖੜੀ ਆ ਇੱਥੇ ਲਿਖ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਂ ਲਿਖ
ਅੱਛਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਠੀਕ ਆ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੀ ਆ
ਨਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ ਮੇਰੀ ਦਰਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਆ ਜਠਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਠੋਲੂ ਤੇ ਆ ਮੇਰੀ ਸੱਸ ਦਾ ਚਿੜਾ
ਅੱਛਾ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੀ ਵੱਡਾ ਟੱਬਰ ਹੈ
ਤਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਅਸੀਂ 6 ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਘਰੇ ਦਰਾਣੀਆਂ ਜਠਾਣੀਆਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰੇ